So my name is Raina Shivashankar, and I'm a gastroenterologist with a focus on inflammatory bowel disease. And I work at Thomas Jefferson University, where I'm the Associate Director for the IBD Center and the Program Director for the IBD Fellowship. So there are various things that led me to an interest in inflammatory bowel disease. I have one patient story that always stuck with me. I remember a young lady that I think of often was admitted to our GI hospital service. She had a flare of her disease and she was treated with steroids and she did well. But unfortunately, the next time I met her was 2 months later and she was in the ICU. I vividly remember her husband and 2 children at her bedside. So really what stayed with me was kind of the breadth and depth of IBD, the disease course, how it affects young patients. And I think that's why the mission of the Crohn's and Colitis Foundation is so important, to find a cure for disease. It's just been a fantastic organization to work with. So the Crohn's and Colitis Foundation has support groups, educational material, videos that talk about living with Crohn's or ulcerative colitis, medications, diet and inflammatory bowel disease, and even things like mental health that's so important. And the support groups are great because it gives our patients a network of other people who are living with similar conditions. So in a world where there's so much information out there on the internet, the Crohn's and Colitis Foundation is the best resource for all of this since it is very reliable and it has the most up-to-date information. I think the mission of the Crohn's and Colitis Foundation to help provide a cure and improve quality of life for patients is just so important. So the support is extremely helpful to further and to achieve that goal. It means so much to me to be an honoree. I'm really humbled to be in the same group of excellent physicians who've received this award before me. And I just owe a great deal to my mentors, to my Jefferson colleagues, and of course to my patients who've inspired me and taught me and helped me learn along the way. So I thank the Crohn's and Colitis Foundation so much. This means a lot to me.